Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today we're going to do this really simple chicken and potatoes. I'm going to throw this in the oven. It's going to take no time at all. It is absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's jump into this then. And just to let you know, all of the amounts of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. We've got some potatoes. I've peeled those and washed those. Here I've got chicken parts, so different parts of chicken, cut, skin on, bone in. I've got some onion. I'm using white onion. Use red or brown if you want. Celery. I like a bit of celery in there. Salt, pepper. Here we've got our spices. We've got roughly equal parts here of thyme, dried thyme, smoked paprika, which is a beautiful flavour, and celery salt, chopped garlic and olive oil. This really is super easy. What we're going to do is we're just going to get this in a mixing bowl, the whole lot, give it a mix, throw it in the oven. Okay, mixing bowl, chicken's in, potatoes can follow, onion, that's celery, which is optional really, I like it in there. I mean, you could be throwing some carrots in this as well if you wanted, garlic, salt and pepper. Then our spices, just take one more look. Smoked paprika, celery, salt and thyme. Rosemary or something like that, you could work as well. Some olive oil, that's just to sort of bring it all together. I'm going to get in and give that a mix. So I've put that onto a metal tray that can fit in the oven. I mean, you could use ceramic if you want, or glass, but I think metal's better. That's going to go in my preheated oven for about 35-40 minutes at about 200-225. All ovens are different. That's going to go in right now. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, there you go. That was 40 minutes in my oven. Super, super easy. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.